Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper for Toyota's 2014 to 21 Tundra. Step 1. Remove your factory bumper and remove the sensors, plugs, lights, and hitch from it. We show how to do this in another video, link below. Step 2. Reinstall your hitch using the 2 factory bolts on each side in the furthest 2 holes. Next, remove the shown bracket using a 12mm socket from each side. Step 3. Install the included mounting brackets onto the hitch using the factory hardware and 2 of the included large bolts, washers, and nuts using a 13mm socket. Step 4. Install your pod lights into your new bumper by following the manufacturer's instructions. Next, install your parking and backup sensors using the included bolts, washers, and nuts with a 3mm Allen wrench and an 8mm socket. Followed by installing the included plastic covers. Step 5. With the included bolt plates, slide them into their slots in the back of the bumper as shown, followed by installing any sensor, plug, or light harness. Step 6. With the help of a friend, hold the bumper up to the mounting brackets and secure it with the included nuts and washers with a 19mm socket. Followed by plugging in the sensor, plug, and light power harnesses. Finally, install your license plate and you're done.